this fraction unit's definitely taking some time to what?
I need to sell these. Are you interested? $5. $10. I'm selling my shoes for $10.
Phew! Mr. Press, put those back
It's not
on.
very good, but
What?
estoy vendiendo estas cosas, Mr. Byrne.
Why?
$10, $10, $5.
$5 for that watch?
Sí, tiene cronómetro. How do you say that? Watch. No,
Wait,
how
yeah, this doesn't even work.
Sí, funciona. Not like yours. Estoy vendiendo. Puedes darme. I'm gonna make you an offer for everything. What about 20? $20.
For everything? Wait, why are you? This is winter still in Suffolk County. Why are you selling this? Why are you selling all your things?
No quería decírtelo, Mr. Byrne. I didn't want to tell you, but necesito el dinero. I need the money. Necesito el dinero. I was talking to a person, a specialist,
Yeah?
un especialista in economist.
Yeah, an economist.
And he gave me some data. I think I'm in trouble. I didn't understand, no lo entendí pretty well, but he gave me some fractions and I'm worried about those fractions.
Well,
I didn't want to tell you, but I need the money. Necesito.
I understand here. Maybe, trust me. Remember the last time we had this discussion? We had to, hopefully we were at a coffee, we had to go into the death corner and find that treasure chest. But no money came out of it. Yeah.
What can we do?
Well, all I know is our objectives happen to do with deal with fractions again.
Really?
Yeah.
So you think
So maybe this might
lessons
work
today
out.
can help me
I think.
with my economy? La lección de hoy me puede ayudar. Sumar y restar fracciones. He gave me 2 fractions.
Yeah.
Actually, yes.
That's good.
So that can help me. With common denominators?
Right.
No, without. Different denominators.
Without common
Wow,
denominators.
this lesson is perfect for my problem. But you know what? He didn't tell me anything about hexágono, trapezoide, triángulo, numerador, denominador y común. ¿Ese es el vocabulario?
Yeah, this is our language objective as well. Students will use the terms, all of these key vocabulary points when we're discussing fractions.
So do you think that if I know this vocabulary and I know addition and
Objective.
subtracting, that means our objective, do you think I can solve my problem?
Well, I think maybe at least you'll be able to keep your jacket and maybe your shoes. That is a nice watch, though, and I just so happens let me see how that fits.
$5.
Let me just see how that fits.
Okay.
Okay,
No.
let's-
Pay me. You pay me before, and then you can keep it.
Let's
I have had
investigate.
that experience with you.
Investigate.
Okay. So, come here, Mr.
Let's go
Byrne.
to a table that's kind of clean, Mr. Perez.
Okay.
Not mine. And that's where
So
Luke
we
Manley
have
sits
we
and
have to
Theodore.
move to another classroom.
Well,
Tenemos que mover.
maybe.
Okay. So,
Okay.
mira, Mr. Byrne.
Right, I'm ready.
Okay.
Let's
So
take
I'm
this to
gonna
the
keep
board.
this in case I have to sell it. Okay. Mira. Él me dijo. That person told me. He's checking my account. Él chequeó mi cuenta. At the beginning he was surprised, but then later he come down y él me explicó. Dice, tú gastas 1/2 de tu dinero cada mes. Dice que yo lo gasto en la renta.
See.
Renta.
I understand
En
that.
español.
I understand. Half of your money is going to your rent.
Yeah, I was kind of sad.
Well, that's Summit
But
County.
my landlord is happy.
Yeah.
So, él me dijo, la mitad lo gastas en tu renta. Dice, y 1/4 tú lo gastas en City Market. Para, you know, groceries,
pork sandwiches.
all that I need. So, basically, this is what I spend every month. So, these groceries, ¿cómo lo escribo? Bueno, yo pongo supermarket, ¿ok? Supermarket, ¿se escribe así?
Yep.
Supermercado in City Market. So he gave me these fractions. So I think I'm in trouble. I don't know how to manage this. How much money I have left? How much money is because my problem was I cannot make an addition, subtraction because it has different denominators.
Wow. Well, I think we have to break this down and kind of hopefully take this to the board
The
here.
lesson is about this? Es acerca de
That's
esto?
right. That's right. It is about this. Well, let me take a look. Here's what I know. Remember, I went to summer school for all those years.
Mm-hmm.
It's very simple to add fractions that have the same denominator.
Yes.
It's 1/4 plus 2/4. When we have the same denominators, life is simple.
You mean common? Comunes? Denominadores
Exactly.
comunes. Ah,
They're common between the same.
comunes.
I really don't even have to think, Mr. Perez. It's just 1 plus 2 is 3. And then because of the common denominator, we just transfer our 4.
It's like you are 1 coffee plus 2 coffees. 3
Yeah.
coffees.
Yeah,
Because it's the same. We're talking about the same.
the same things on the bottom. Yep.
Uh-huh.
So,
But that's not the case.
right. When we
I
have...
think I'm spending more money than I have, more than a whole, which is a problem, more than the unit.
I understand.
That would be my problem.
Well,
Do you-
let's look here. Half of your money is going to your rent,
Mm-hmm.
and 1/4 of your money is going to the groceries and your pork sandwiches.
Yes, every yeah. He was surprised about that also.
The first thing I notice is we do not have that common denominator, right? That's the
No
problem.
tenemos denominadores comunes.
And we don't just add 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2
No,
plus
because
1.
are
That's-
different
they're
things.
different. I can't
Yeah,
do
that was my problem.
Okay, well, I have one thing that might help us.
Huh?
What? Oh, yeah, I forgot to put them in here.
This is Sharpie. You can.
Yeah, hang on. Watch.
¿Qué me traes estos polígonos? Trapezoides, rombos. ¿Para qué me traes triángulos?
Excellent.
¿Por qué está relacionado esto con what is related to the lesson?
Okay, well, 1/2. I can represent 1/2 with these trapezoids.
Ah, this is-
trapezoids.
That's 1/2 of an hexagon.
Well, let's look. The reason I know it's 1/2 is you're right. It's 1/2 of a hexagon.
Ah,
So-
hexágono. Es la mitad de un hexágono.
So this would be a whole right now.
Okay.
And then fourths. Ruh-roh. Those aren't fourths. I think wasn't that 1/3 you were telling me? I don't think we have anything.
1/6.
Oh.
Maybe he told me 1/6.
1/6. Here, let's change that. 1/6. He said. Oh, okay. Well, guess what? We can
Yes, 1/6.
we can represent these little triangles represent 6s
Mm-hmm.
because if we put all these together, oh man, they're microscopic and they're hard to pick up. Help me out, Mr. Perez. We got almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and
I can find one more.
Okay, find one more if you can. Well, we're just missing one small piece. Nope. Oh, look at that. So we know
What do you
these
want to tell me with that?
Okay, I'm just trying to show you that
Yes,
these
those are
halves
and
and
those
these
are
are sixes. That's important. Those are the wholes. Okay, so now if I take 1/2, whoops, and I add
I'm spending half of my money, the rent.
right, and I add 1/6. There's my 1/6.
Yes, 1/6 I'm spending in groceries.
Yeah. Well, here's what we need to realize. These are different shapes and we can't
So
add them.
We cannot add it.
But there is something similar between all of these. It's in my hand. Because I can break down the halves into 6s. And what I mean by that is there's 3 of these 6s in the 1/2. So really, do you agree that this is 1/6?
Yes.
2/6?
Three.
And 3/6?
So do you mean I'm spending 3/6 in my rent?
Uh-huh.
So yo estoy gastando 3/6 en mi renta.
But plus 1/6 in the food.
Now we can add it.
Exactly.
Ahora sí podemos sumarlo.
Life is simple when we have common denominators. Now it's simple. You're spending 4/6 of your income on expenses.
So I'm not spending more than I have?
Nope.
because numerator is smaller than denominator.
That's correct.
So, okay, now is
So-
my question. Ahora es mi pregunta. ¿Cuánto me queda? How much I have left? ¿Cuánto me queda?
How much do you have left?
Yeah.
Okay.
¿Cuánto me queda?
Okay, I know how to help you there. So, we agree that a whole would be 6 over 6, one whole.
If I divided my money in 6 part, 6 part will be the whole money. Yes, you're right.
Take away your expenses, 4 out of 6.
So common denominator again.
Life is easy. Life is easy. 6 take away 4, 2, 6. 2, 6 is what you have left to put gas in your car, to take...
To travel to Spain? Do you think it's enough?
It's not looking so good for your trip to Spain.
So, and someone taught me that I can simplify this.
Yep, you can.
This guy, the economist,
Oh.
he taught me how to simplify fractions. So, he told me that I have to find a common number to divide the numerator and denominator. Un número común.
Yeah?
Por tanto, I can guess 2 can be divided by 2 and 6
Oh, yeah.
can be divided by 2.
That's legal.
So, yeah, that's legal in this country. So, 1/3.
1/3 of your money is left. And I've also heard what you do to the top, you do to the bottom. What you do to the bottom, you do to the top.
That's a
redo.
song?
Yeah, you probably heard it on the radio.
Hip hop? Rock?
Yeah, I think Justin Bieber sings it.
Sure.
So, wow, we covered some things today, Mr. Perez. Now we know where your money's going.
Yeah, and also we know how money I have left.
Okay.
Nice, man. So,
I think
I'm
it's
gonna start saving money.
a good idea. And I think it's about time we pick up our 4th graders because they're 5 minutes past lunch.
Yes, but before, I challenge our 4th graders to bring us this tomorrow.
It's an excellent idea. 1, 6 plus
Common
3, 6?
denominator, non-common denominators.
That will
Sí,
be
comunes denominadores y no comunes.
kind of like their exit slip.
Yeah, let's see.
See what happens.
Chicos de
Alright.
cuarto grado,
Adios, chicos.
hasta
Y
mañana.
chicas.